Welcome to POV Ocala. This is your opportunity to learn more about what's going on in the Ocala Metro, at least from my point of view. I'm Kevin SHEILLEY. Today we're going to talk about real estate and real estate sales and how things are going here in the Ocala Metro. And I think the only way to answer that question is very well. In fact, Ocala is leading the state and among the best in the country when it comes to real estate sales. While many communities are seeing a decrease in the number of homes sold, that is not the case here in the Ocala Metro. For the month of May, the latest month available, the Ocala Metro saw home sales increase double digits, more than 11% year over year. So compared to May of 2023, far more homes were sold here than that year. That growth, that seeing that people are continuing to buy homes, really goes to the population growth that we're continuing to see here in our community, and certainly standing out different than the rest of the state. When we look at year to date, so the entire year, home sales in the Ocala Metro are up over 9%, and that's the third best here in the state of Florida. We continue to see people move to our community, creating additional opportunities for everyone that lives here. Lastly, while the median home price has been decreasing across the state of Florida in many places, that's not the case here in Ocala. In fact, thankfully, it is being able to stay stable. We're staying at around $289,000 for a median home price, which is significantly below the state and national averages. The ability to keep our median home price low, driven by continued home construction and activity, makes this place the most affordable metro here in the state of Florida. There are lots of great things going on in the Ocala Metro, and you can hear about them first on POV Ocala.